I wanted to make sure that this was crystal clear because it surprised even me. So you can see new iPad M4 Nano Texture does collect smudges. So I just thought I'm just going to grab my regular, trusty, high quality Japanese microfiber that I use for my lenses, and it does absolutely nothing. What happened was during this trip, I left my Apple polishing cloth at home, but I'm like, no biggie. I even got this dope one, Ray-Ban Meta, like super good cloth. And again, nothing happens. So I went to the Apple store and I picked up another. What everybody complains about is the useless $20 polishing cloth. And look, it actually makes a huge difference. It is not just a standard issue microfiber. It actually takes the stuff off. Look at that. I couldn't believe it. I thought it was BS myself. I was kind of ready to be with the jokes, but here it is. Ooh, go back to sleep. You can see with your own eyes, this polishing cloth actually makes a difference. Don't use anything but the real cloth. Don't ruin your brand new iPad.